This is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really easy and delicious pumpkin cupcakes. These are perfect for Thanksgiving, so I hope you can give them a try. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, we're going to combine the flour with the dry ingredients. So into the flour, we're going to add in the baking soda, the baking powder, the salt, the cinnamon, the ginger, and the nutmeg. Stir everything together until well combined, and then just set it aside until you're ready to use it. Now with an electric mixer, now we're going to mix the butter together with the granulated sugar and the brown sugar. We're going to mix this on medium-high speed for about 3 or 4 minutes or until everything is well combined into a creamy and grainy paste. After everything is well combined, like I said, it will take about 4 minutes or so. Now we're going to add in the eggs, one at a time, and we're going to mix each egg for about 30 seconds before adding the next one. Once you have added the last egg, mix until it's well combined with the rest of the ingredients. And then after that, reduce the speed. And now we're going to add in a third of the flour mixture, followed by a third of the milk. Mix until combined, and then we're going to add in another third of the flour mixture, followed by another third of the milk. Mix until combined, and then right after that, now we're going to add in the rest of the flour mixture together with the rest of the milk. Mix until just combined, and then add in the pumpkin puree. Stir on low speed until everything is combined. And then that's about it. Once everything is well combined, the batter is ready. Now we can make the pancakes. And this is how the batter looks like. We're going to pour it into our pan, and the pan is lined with cupcake wrappers. And I'm going to spray the wrappers with butter spray. And then after that, we're just going to fill up the wrappers about 2/3 of the way. And the batter is enough to make about 30 cupcakes. So after you fill up the cupcake wrappers, now we're going to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes or until they are well cooked. And you're going to know they are done when you insert a toothpick right on the center of the cupcake and it comes up clean. Now we're going to let them cool completely before frosting them. So just set them aside to cool down a little bit. With an electric mixer, we're going to beat the butter together with the cream cheese and the powdered sugar. And the sugar is to taste. You can add 1 cup of sugar up to 4 cups of sugar, depending on how sweet you want it to be. So we're going to beat this on high speed for about 3 minutes. And then after that, now we're going to add in the pumpkin Baileys, the pumpkin liqueur. And we're going to continue to beat this on high speed for another 3 more minutes until everything is well combined into a very fluffy and creamy icing. Then taste the flavor, add more sugar or Baileys if you think it's necessary. And then once you're happy with the flavor, the icing is done. Now we can decorate the cupcakes. So I placed the icing in a piping bag and I'm using the star tip. And I'm just decorating the cupcakes starting from the outside all the way to the center. But you can decorate them any way that you like. You can even just add the icing with a spoon, and that will be perfect. So like I said, I placed the icing in a piping bag with a star tip and I'm just decorating around from the outside to the center of the cupcake. And then after I'm done, I'm also decorating the cupcakes with a cookie. And then I'm taking some of the cookies and I'm breaking them down. And then I'm sprinkling the cookie crumbs on top of the cupcakes. And that's about it. They are so delicious and they are perfect for Thanksgiving. I really recommend them. Enjoy. To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.